Welcome guys, after a long quiet period I am back with the new unboxing. As you can see, it is just arrived, and it is something very unusual. I'm sure that some of you maybe know about this device, but this one is Sharp Aquos S3. Let's begin the unboxing. Let's start from here because it's already broken. Okay, crack and flow them. What's this type of package? You get it. I don't know if you have received this kind of package recently, but this is my first package with this very good packing. You can never broke the what's inside. Let's move on. Let's move on. Yeah, here it is, the converter to US plug. It's all UK or the European, everything can convert to US. We don't need this. Nothing inside. And here the device itself. Sharp Aquos S3. Guys, this is very nice, perfect phone, and this I got it because of I wanted to check the quality of ISO display. Sharp is making the IPS LCD displays, but the best ones in the world. It's called IGZO, which is some kind of transistor decoding type of the LCD, and that's why I wanted to have it. And why don't go for this? Because it's cost me $145 US, including the shipping, which is very nice for this type of phone. And this is Sharp. This is not some kind of unknown Chinese brand or cheap brand. This is Sharp. Quality has the lot of years of performance. And let's move on and see what we got inside. This one is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, 6-inch screen with the notch design, and it is sealed. It's never opened, so the seller didn't open that. Let's see what we have here. CDMA, WCDMA, LTE. Physical size is 148 by 74 and 7 millimeters of thickness. 5.99 Full HD screen. Android 8.0, 64 ROM and 4 GB RAM. The model is called Sharp Aquos S3 FS8032. And this is going to be the global version. As they promised, it should have a European plug and out of the box all languages, Android with Sharp UX UI. Okay, let's move and open the box. I don't like the this plastic. I like to do this way and then keep it for the later. Okay. And then I like to put this way and put it here for now. Phone itself, let's leave the phone next and then see what the packages contains. This is regular holder. Then some packaging, which is opening this way as well, but I think the right way is here. SIM ejection tool, guys, SIM ejection tools, and out of the box plastic case cover, which is the very nice matte finish, much better than any jelly cases. It's black and it feels premium when you hold in the hand, and it's like matte finish is giving the good grip in case of you will not fall and drop your phone. Let's also leave this here. And then USB Type-C cable, flat type of the cable, the ones that I like very much. And thanks for this Sharp. Because if you remember, guys, I paid for this is $136 US. The shipping cost me something like $5 US. So it means that totally $142 US. This is major go, guys. This is from AliExpress, but this is a global version. This is USB Type-C. What else we have? This is some kind of headphones, wired headphones. We will try it later to see if it's good enough, but again, remember the price and what you got in the box. The charger, Sharp with Euro plug charger. It has all in Chinese, but anyway, we can check if this one is 5 volt 2 ampere, which means no quick charge, but again, remember the price, guys. And we have the USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter jack, as the phone don't have a headphone jack. Okay, this is what the inside of the package, guys. Let's put it back and then move to the phone. Yeah, according to what I paid, I really like what I got. Because, and I forget to tell you, this one has the Snapdragon 630 processor, CPU, and for that money, this is perfect. Let's take it out this way and leave it the packaging as it is. Here is the phone, guys. Yeah, it's a piano black finish. It feels like, as you can see, like a mirror, and it should. Oh, it's not a fingerprint magnet, guys. You see, I put the fingers, but no, it's disappearing. Very nice. Thank you for this, Sharp. And this is the piano black finish. It feels like ceramic, but this is not a ceramic. But actually, you can see I put my fingers and then it disappears. There is no fingerprint magnet. And no screen protector installed. Even the no plastic that usually manufacturers are putting, not the real screen protector, but something that coming with. There is nothing on this. From the bottom side, we have the USB Type-C here and speakerphone rails, and this is a mic. These parts are made, I think this is the aluminum, but it's anodized to be the black. And this part, we have the SIM tray. We will remove that to see if it covers the double SIM. And this part is volume rocker and the power on-off rocker. Backside, we have a dual camera setup with the 12 megapixel and 8 megapixels. Here is the noise cancelling mic and actually flashlight. And this one is with the around some kind of golden ring. This is the fingerprint sensor. And we have a Sharp branding here. We can remove this one later, but let's do the quick boot up and then see if Nice. I feel the difference actually. Exo eyes and the contrast is like OLED, but without this OLED bad thing for the eyes. You know that if you are looking long to the OLED screens, your eyes are hurting, and you are having this evening you have this kind of red eye symptom. We have the English here, Russian, a lot of languages. It covers all the Android worldwide languages actually. But let's move to Russian, do the quick setup. Nice. Guys, I can tell the screen is 10 from 10. Actually, never seen this kind of screen before, because this is a really ITMASTER display. Let's put my Wi-Fi passcode, or let's skip it, then I will do the other setup. Let's see. Skip fingerprint. And we have themes provided by Sharp. You know that the Sharp is using, like the other companies, he's using his own UI. We have a simple, ambient, and round. I prefer this simple. We go for this. Okay. Smile UX is the Sharp's type of the Android thing that they are doing, covering the Android with their own UI. It's called the Smile UI. Read and agree terms. We don't need to join. Finish. Yeah, I can. This is major go. If we check the price and what we get, really, the screen is perfect. And the size, actually we have a 6-inch screen, but the size, it's very good sitting in the hand. Actually, after my iPhone XR, which is nearly same screen size, but this is lighter, and this is very easy to hold. And you can see how black is when the screen is turned off. This is because of the ITMASTER display. That's it, guys. This is the quick unboxing of the Sharp, but let me put the case really quick so we can see. Yeah, this is how it looks like from the back. This part is a special cut for the this volume rocker and power buttons. Upper side also have this cut, it's open. The same for the downside, and this part is fully closed. But it's and this is how it looks from the front side. Yeah, this one is very good case, and it's provided free. It's came through the box actually, and it was included. So that's it, guys. This one is about a quick unboxing of the Sharp Aquos S3. I will use it, and then I will come back to you with the other good review about how phone performance, how I feel I will use as a main device. Stay well, stay cool. See you soon, guys. Please help me to reach 1000 subscribers before the summer. Thank you for all my subscribers, and thanks for those ones that going to be my subscriber. Easy for you and useful for me. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.